Hi, it's Steve here from KME with the next part of the tandem trailer build. Hope you're getting something out of it so far. I'm getting something out of it, a trailer build, and I'll show you the next bits and pieces, which are the mount of the mudguards and inner fittings of the mudguards. Just picked up the checker plate for the deck of the trailer this morning, and yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Always great to get some feedback. Well, there we have the hangers or hanger brackets welded on. So there's that one welded on and the back one welded on. Here's a box full of gear. Came with the springs. There's a base plate for each side. Spaces between the axles. And U-bolts and nuts. When you get to this point of having the axle in the spring, you need to work out the distance from the chassis rail here, chassis rail there, and the face of the drum here. So what I do is I just get a square, I put it in here like so, and I take that measurement now and go to the other side and check the other side. When you've got it right and you're happy with it, which now is that's right compared to the other side, you just rattle them up. Make sure the little hole in the plate underneath is in the right place. Do the same to the other side. There is our trailer turned over, facing the right way now, and we can get in now and continue finishing the rest of it. Axles, springs in. I've just welded on the spring hanger gussets, which are these plates here. There's a weld across the top there, also down under that section, don't know if you can see it very well, and then there's one on the front one as well. Well, there it is on its wheels for the first time. Looking okay. Looks like everything is just about in the right place. Enough gap down between the chassis rail and the edge of the tyres. There we are with the guards just temporarily set up. So it's not looking too bad. There's the guards welded on. Just got them done. At the moment I'm in the middle. And so that fits in like that, and I'll make the forward piece now. Really happy with that. Put that in now. I believe the spots are going to be on the inside. There we have the guard infills done. The mud guard's all done and on. And stay bar on the guard. It's on. Guard infill from the other side. I put in an 8mm rod just down here, as you can see, weld it through, and that carries, you just cable tie your trailer, your wire to it. We found in the past that it's about the best way of having the wire. You can see it for any problems might happen in the future if you have a breakage or anything, and if something happens to the trailer and needs to be welded, you can actually weld the chassis and not burn the wire if you've got the wire running through the middle of the chassis rails. So that's there, that's done, it's across. Well, that'll be it for this one. We'll see you at the next part.